All right, so I'm trying to put my new seat cover on because you can see this one's screwed up and all flattened, and I bought a new cover and cushion. Hopefully it fits. But just pulled this off to see how it's all gonna fit. You ever seen a socket needle like that? What is that? So I wonder if a socket would fit on top of it. Let's see. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, that looks like that would fit.
10%.
Should I take the whole seat out or what? Let's think about this. So I popped all 4 bolts off on the corners. And I could pull the whole seat out, but I'd have to go find a special thing for that. And I might even have it. But it's hot. And that's just more work. So I'll try doing it the hard way and just take this cover off while I have it in the truck and see what I'm up against. So let's try that first. All right, so got this far, got the seat up. There's a clip here, clip there, and one in the back right there. So they unclip out. They clip here, here, and back there. And then the seat should come out. All right, I had a wire going to this white thing. I'm thinking this is a seat heater somehow. Does it say it on there? It's weird. December 2006. Guess that makes sense. It's 2007 or so. Doesn't say what it is. I'm thinking that's the seat heater. I don't think it works, but we'll go ahead and try to put it back on the other one. Alrighty, so here's the old one. Get this new seat cushion out and see what we got here. It's vacuum sealed. It's growing on me. Not in the mood for this. I'm falling asleep. All right, so let's compare this eBay special here. Just came out of the vacuum sealer. Looks pretty similar. You can see this has been smashed down, worn down over the years, so definitely will gain some support here. Let's say this feels a little stiffer than this. Well, maybe it'll mean it's softer. They look about the same though. Not perfect matches, but pretty darn close. Let's see height.
I only have 5%.
Pretty close. All right, so next dilemma. It's got these little plastic pieces of plastic in it that I know is supposed to slide into these little clips. Same with you through here with that one and that side. The question is how? How does it go in? All right, I'll have to look at that one. I don't know if this is how, but here's my plan. I'm gonna try coming in from the back side, maybe using a screwdriver or something, pushing this guy in, flipping these sides in and pushing these sides in with a screwdriver like against here or something. And seeing if I can get them down into those little clips. All right, I'll let you know how it turned out. Almost forgot to pull this guy out, so got this guy. Putting her back in. I think it's a seat heater. All right, so yeah, it's working just like this. You see a little clip down there? Yeah, it's right there, that orange thing. I'm just gonna push the blue down through it. Push her in. See? Just snap in. All right, do the other side. All right, that worked pretty good. I'm gonna toss her back in the truck and fasten back up first, sides, and then the front. All right, we're gonna get in here. We need to plug this guy in before we forget. I think it'd be easier from this side than the other side. And there she there she goes, snapped. All right, so let's do this. And then let's do passenger side, this side. All right, so I never made a follow-up video. I finished this a while ago. It's been probably about 2 weeks. You can see, there she is. Turned out really good. I mean, I think I got some epoxy on it there or something. That kind of is annoying, but I mean, the fabric isn't a perfect match to this, but I mean, you can't notice it. This is actually a little bit softer than this. This has more of a plastic feel. This actually feels more leathery. So, see if you can see, there's the texture. It's just got a little bit more of a, and it could just be from the heat. What? Huh? Is that a check?
Uh-huh.
For 300?
310.
All right, good. How are we gonna deposit that?
I do not know.
Yeah. Anyways, see, there's what it used to look like. Here's what it is now. So, big improvement. That was all torn open, so that was an easy one. Probably have $100 into a new cushion and the seat part. So, I would put links in the description, but I'm not a big YouTuber, so I don't get paid for that stuff. Actually, just search on eBay. eBay was much cheaper than Amazon. I got everything off of eBay. On Amazon, this was the seat cushion was $80 and the cover was $80. But on eBay, they were about $40 a piece. So, anyways, definitely was not a hard one to do. Well worth it. All right, I got another mod coming soon. A couple of them have to do with the cooling system. All right.